All right, before I take this thing up north, I told my neighbor that I'd let him give it a test ride. So it's his first time driving the tractor. All right, it's Ryan, right? Yep. All right. Go for it. Things are a little slippy. He's got it 4-wheel drive. I like that thing. Like, I like it. It's got it looks old and kind of tough. Oh, you know, how long has it been sitting there? You guys having a stare at it. I'm so glad we're getting it out of here. So what, I've had it now 2 years, something like that, without without being able to use it much. Do I got a burned out light? Oh yeah. All right, let's do this. Let's try something. Take it out of 4-wheel drive to push that lever down. Okay, that's good. Take your foot off the brake. Okay, now just use the left brake, just only the left side. So right there. And then take your foot off the clutch slowly, see if it'll start to do a real sharp. It may not work with the snow. Yeah, the snow's making it just fishtail out to the side. Yeah. Yep. All right, just thought we'd give it a shot. Up to you, what do you want to do? If you're done, you could go again if you wanted. I don't care. You want to do it? You sure? I know how it is. You're like, no, I'm an adult. It's no biggie. All right. Just take it right to the end of the driveway. Go past my driveway. I'm going to back it up. Okay. All right, now put it in neutral. Try to pull that one up into neutral. You got to kind of pull it towards you and back. Yeah, there you go. And then push that in and pull this up and keep it up. Yep. And then let your foot off. It's gonna lock. That's the brake. That's like the parking brake lock. You can let go and you can climb up. Oh wait, no, we gotta do fist bump first. Yeah, nice job. All right, cool.